family time with the naturals. I mean the Dickens.
Out there.
It does, but good job.
Thank you. Then I want to so I just Did you see how blue that bird was?
I have my shades on. I mean, it's dark.
I didn't see it at all. I went to rock country.
Yo, they doing a tour. They gotta be doing a tour. That was cool how your glasses went down RoboCop.
I know, right? It does it sometimes. We're not touching no plants. We're doing so we can't get no poison ivy. I gotta switch shoulders. Oh my God.
What's up, girl? Be cute, pumpkin.
Ooh!
Eat the cuteness. The cuteness.
Oh, okay, there's another one coming too.
Two more coming actually. There's one from this side too. Oh wow. People really like biking this trail.
Cute. Adorable.
Gold blinging.
Oh, the gold is blinging.
I love my gold. Right, it's in there and eats the blue. Little mess.
Come on, let's walk.
Monsters.
Oh shit, we are going with that. You think the Yeti lives in a rich neighborhood?
Oh, yeah, he's white. No, just get on the bridge. Get on the bridge.
Too cute. Too cute. Got him.
What, my strong girl?
Somebody said, go to someplace beautiful. Thought that's what I was doing. Ended up at a tomb. Grave site. Grave site. I was trying to go somewhere beautiful. It is kind of nice out here though. Quiet. It's beautiful.
3, 4.
But see, those are the small. The other one was the first big one.
5.
Wow.
6, 7.
So maybe it's like.
Look like this tree was hit by lightning or something. Yo, this tree got hit by lightning or something, boy. Left the fam in a cool spot that I can go find them at. A little business around the way. And I'm doing the rest of this trail. Actually backtracking because we made a wrong turn. Got a little lost or whatever. End up back in the same spot we was already at. So left them at a business. I'm going to get the car. Going back to pick up the family. We gonna do some yogurt or something. Frogo. My wife want a smoothie. We're gonna do 2 places because that's how we do it. Living the dream.